Hi guys, how are we all doing? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name is Rodian, and if you're enjoying this video, consider subscribing. Right, we're picking up exactly where we left off last time. We're on this roof, and I left you guys and I had a few questions about the valley that we're going to be attacking today. Now, I've read through all your comments. I always read through your comments. It may take me a while to get back to some of you people because there's quite a lot of them, but I will get back to you. Points on the valley. Right, what we're going to do, I had the intention of doing, putting valley tiles up here, and a few of you guys said that the angle of this roof has to match the angle of the dormers, otherwise it just won't work. So let's check that and make sure they do work, because I really want to use these valley tiles. Right, now to do this I'm going to use an app on my phone. Where is it, if it's in focus? It's called On Protractor. I'll tell you, this is a very handy little tool. There you go, on. Oh, it's all just getting the bloody reflection now. You can just see the reflection of me, you can't actually see the bloody... Well, you're going to have to trust me that there's a protractor on there. I'm just going to test the angle. Can you see that? I think you can actually see that. Yeah, there we go. Once I've got it on the right angle, it's saying 40 degrees, which is perfect. Now, check this. I don't know if you can see that, but that is jumping between 40 and 41 degrees. Now, I don't think 1 degree is much of, well, it's probably more like a half a degree. I don't think that's too much to worry about. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish off this side of the roof. I'm going to butt these two battens together in the valley and cut them at 45. A few people said just butt them up, it'd be fine, but a few people have also said just cut that at 45 and it just sitting there nicely. So I'm just going to do that. Go all the way up and just finish this side of the roof, because we didn't get it quite done last week because it was raining. But luckily this week I think we're going to have good weather. I don't want to jinx it, so touch wood, we've got good weather. Right, enough of me waffling on about this. Let's get these battens on and get this roof all ready to go.
I'm waiting for the right time to change this.
we go guys, one roof finished. Pretty much finished. The bulk of it's done. I've left the top little lap undone so that when I put the felt over the top, batten it down from there, and also the dormer cheeks, or the dormers, they need doing as well. But apart from that, this side's completely finished. Here are the valleys. This is where those valley tiles are going to be going. Thank you to everyone who commented saying that the pitch had to be the same. Luckily it is. Well, I'm going to say luckily, but that's obviously what the chippy's meant to do. To turn out perfect. I levelled a couple of them across just to make sure they're all good, because some of these were a little bit different to those in that little section there. I had to open these up a fraction just to get the bond right. I said a bond, but the battening right. It's all worked out perfect. And yeah, this is going to look very nice. The only thing I haven't done is I haven't put the DPC under here, or the tray that you guys are saying, the UV DPC to put under there. And also I haven't put the air vents, which I'd put around the wrong way, which I've been told again by you guys in the comments, and also the spriggets, whatever they're called. I need to add those on everywhere. I've left off the bottom one apart from here, bottom batten, so I can do that. But I'll probably do that when I tile it, just so I can get all this done. Like I said, I've left the top unfelted so that once I do the other side, I'll do the other side, then when I lap the felt over, it'll come over, and then I'll make good however it needs to be done. But yeah, all we have to do on this side now is the dormers, which we will be doing next episode. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Leave a like down below if you have, so I can see. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the dormers. Take care. See you then.